from tomorrow? Can my students look forward to attending? Can they come eagerly even before I enter the classroom because they know that the class will be interesting, innovative, interactive, and informative? Can I create a learning environment that inspires curiosity?
For conducting the sessions so effectively and engagingly. Your expertise, experience, and interactive approach kept our Thank you.